Which Gupta ruler was related to the Lichavis on his mother's side? Answer: Samudragupta. In which inscription are the achievements of Samudragupta described? Answer: Allahabad pillar inscription. Which Sultan of Delhi has been described by the historians as the mixture of opposites? Answer: Muhammad Tughlaq. Niccolo Conti, the traveller who visited Vijayanagar kingdom in 1420 AD, belongs to which country? Answer: Italy. In the Delhi Sultanate, the work of Mustafa-e-Mamalik was related to which? Answer: Auditing. Where did Akbar build the Panch Mahal, note for its various type of pillars? Answer: Fatehpur Sikri. Who built the mausoleum of Jahangir and where? Answer: Nur Jahan at Lahore. By whom were India's famous peacock throne and the diamond Kohinoor taken away? Answer: Nadir Shah. With reference to the revolt of 1857, who led siege the Jhansi in March 1858? Answer: Sir Hugh Ross. Dhondu Pant is better known as which name? Answer: Nana Saheb. Whose ideas had influenced Mahatma Gandhi's thought? Answer: Tolstoy. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, which event occurred earliest? Answer: Lucknow Pact. In India, in which sector was the cooperative movement initiated? Answer: Agricultural credit. The silver coins of the Gupta period were known by which name? Answer: Rupyaka. Which structure was constructed by Emperor Akbar in Fatehpur Sikri? Answer: Panch Mahal. Who was the first Indian Hindi scholar of the Mughal period? Answer: Abdur Rahim. Which distinguishes the Harappan from other contemporary civilizations of the world? Answer: Town planning and drainage. What was the primary purpose of a seal in the Indus Valley civilization? Answer: To signify ownership of property. Who presided over the first Buddhist council held at Rajgriha? Answer: Mahakashyap. In which year some more commercial banks in addition to the first lot of 141 were nationalized in India? Answer: 1980.